Higher advisory remain in effect until 6 a.m. Sunday. Higher alert risk remains in effect through Sunday evening. Coastal flood wide effect from late tonight through Sunday morning. The National Weather Service in Jacksonville has issued a coastal flood watch, which is in effect from late tonight through Sunday morning. Coastal flooding. Minor to moderate coast flooding is expected to develop late tonight through Sunday morning, may at times of high tides. St. Simon's, high tide Saturday, 7:12 a.m., 7:35 p.m. High tide Sunday, 7:53 a.m. Waves and breakers in the surf zone are expected to build to 8 to 10 this afternoon through Thursday night. Long period easterly swells and flow will increase into the Kansas hurricane moves north of the Bahamas. These conditions will create a higher rip currents and high surf through much of the weekend. Impacts, rip currents will life-threatening to swimmers. Breaker high will progressively build today and remain through the weekend. Breakers today through Thursday night will be in excess of 7 feet. Minor to moderate coast flooding and beach erosion is expected to occur. There is a higher rip currents. Rip currents are powerful channels of water flowing quickly away from shore, which occur most often at low spot breaks in the sandbar and in the vicinity of structures such as points, jetties, and heed the advice of lifeguards and beach patrol. Pay attention to flag posted signs. If you become caught rip current, do not panic. Remain and begin to swim parallel to shore. Once you are away from the force of the rip current, begin to swim back to the beach. Do not attempt to swim directly as to rip current. Even a strong swimmer can become exhausted quickly. A high surf advisory means high surf will affect beaches in the advisory area, producing rip currents and local beach erosion. A coastal flood watch means that conditions favorable for flooding are expected to develop. Coastal residents be alert for later treatments or warning and take action to protect property. Wind advisory in effect from 10 a.m. this morning to 7 p.m. this evening for Florida, Bradford, Clay, Alachua, Putnam, and Marion counties. For Georgia, coastal Glen and coastal Camden counties. The National Weather Service in Jacksonville has issued an advisory. It is in effect from 11 a.m. this morning to 7 a.m. this evening. Timing: wind advisory conditions are expected by late morning today and will persist through this evening. Winds, north winds increase to 20 to 25 miles per hour with gusts up to 4 miles per hour by the afternoon. Cautionary preparedness actions. Wind advisory is issued when sustained winds of 25 to 39 miles per hour are expected for at least an hour, with gusts of 40 to 56 miles per hour or greater at any time. Minor damage to power lines and property are possible with wind of this magnitude. Motorists and high-profile vehicles are advised to use caution until the wind sides. Strong winds can top trees, blow weak into soft houses and down power lines. Take precautions to secure trash, lawn furniture, and any other loose objects. Persons in the advisory area should keep abreast of the latest weather. Advisory in effect till 6 a.m. Sunday. For Nassau, Duval, St. Duns, and Flagler counties.
Crap.
The National Weather Service in Jackson.
Doesn't look too bad.
Gusts 4 miles per hour. Higher gusts are possible near showers. Precautionary preparedness actions. A wind advisory issued when sustained winds of 25 to 39 miles per hour are expected for at least an hour, with gusts of 40 to 57 miles per hour greater at any time. Minor damage trees, power lines, and property are possible with wind of this magnitude. Motorists and high-profile vehicles are advised to use caution until wind subsides. Strong winds can pull trees, blow and droop soft houses, and down power lines. Take precautions to secure trash, lawn furniture, and any other loose outdoor objects. Persons in the advisory area should keep abreast of the latest weather. Wind advisory now in effect until 6 a.m. Sunday. For coastal Glen and coastal Hampton counties. Timing: wind advisory conditions are expected to persist through 6 a.m. Sunday. Winds, north wind 25 to 30 miles per hour with gusts of 40 miles per hour. Higher gusts are possible near showers. Precautionary preparedness acts. A wind advisory is issued when sustained winds of 25 to 39 miles per hour are expected for at least an hour, with gusts of 40 to 57 miles per hour or greater at a time. Minor damage to trees, pole lines, and property are possible with wind of this magnitude. Motorists and high-profile vehicles are advised to use caution when the wind subsides. Strong winds topple trees, weaken roofs, offices, and down power lines. Take cautions to secure ash cans, lawn furniture, and any other outdoor objects. Persons in the industry area should be abreast of the latest weather. Wind advisory remains in effect until 7 p.m. this evening. For Bradford, Alachua, and Marion counties, wind advisory conditions